Anchor Uday Banu has been staying away from television for some time now, and the reason behind this is that she is resting at home on the advice of doctors. Yes, she is pregnant and she delivered twins today morning at a private hospital in Hyderabad. Tollywood popular Anchor Uday Banu blessed with twins, baby boy and a girl, on today morning at a private hospital in Banjara Hills, Hyderabad. She got married with Vijay, who hails from Vijayawada. Both Vijay and Uday Banu's was a love marriage. In 2 to 3 months, she is going to start her own production house to produce TV shows.